Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing great. Today we have returned to my Akiya, the abandoned house that I bought last year. It's been quite a long winter, so not so much progress have been made related to the renovation and so on. Now the spring is starting to show some signs, so it's I thought I'd come here and I had a couple of tasks that I wanted to try to finish. Though last night we had some snow, so the ground is now covered by a few centimeters of snow. Maybe the task that I had in mind isn't going to be that easy to complete, but anyway, let's go and check it out. So this is the lower part of the yard. It's usually completely overgrown by raspberry bushes and root sprouts and grass and whatnot. I want to convert it into some kind of land to grow vegetables and so on. Now there are a lot of tree stumps. It seems like there actually used to be a small little forest of trees here, smaller trees. So the previous owner or someone cut them all down and left the tree stump. So to make it easy to clear this land, I with a lawn mower or like some kind of machine, I would like to find those tree stumps and so on. And I was thinking that I would walk around here and try to find them and mark them out, so I can dig them up a little bit later when the ground has been is not frozen anymore. So this is what I'm going to do today, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult now when the ground is covered by snow, but I'll give it a try. So I walked around down on the lower part of the yard and tried to find and mark out the tree stumps and so on. And it was not that easy considering the snow and so on. But I think I picked out most of them. Maybe I missed a few and so on. I guess that's okay. I'll go walk the land there a little bit more later on, I think. But at least there seems to be like how should I say, a small stretch where there are no tree stumps and so on that could be easily cleared up and so on. So maybe that's a good start. And some of the tree stumps I noticed were a little bit rotten, so I actually could kick them out of the ground and so on. So they are at least not sticking up. Then of course the root system or remains maybe. I'm not sure. In any case, I think I need to get some kind of heavier machinery, like well, basically I would need a bulldozer to just scrape off the top part of the dirt and the tree stumps and everything with it and so on. But yeah, there's not so much I can do about it right now. And also considering that the kind of the sewer system is also located on the lower part of the yard, and this needs to kind of be fixed as well to be approved by the municipal and so on. So there needs to be some digging with heavy machinery there anyway. So maybe that can be combined in some good way, depending on what kind of upgrade of the sewer system I need to make. but yeah, let's see. Anyway, I just wanted to check in a little bit here, and I will not take up too much time here, but see you soon again. Thank you for watching.